Kia ora you fellas out there in internet land watching this video. This is bro tip number 3, whānau, and as you can see she's a little bit bloomin' misty and foggy here in Gisborne. And we got a power cut, so I got to get this done quickly, otherwise it's not going to make sense. So today we're talking about who to vote for. A lot of us will vote just because Nanny voted for a certain group. You know, my advice is vote for the group that represents you. So have a look at their policies, have a look at the people representing them, and see if they speak for you or not. I'm not going to try and tell you who to vote for, but you know, there are some stink people out there, and there are some cool people out there. There are some stink people out there, and there are some cool people out there. That's all I'm saying. I'm not saying who to vote for. I'm just saying don't vote for the stink ones. Ka pai? Yeah, you know, just quietly. A group might have been cool when Nanny was young, but they might be stink now. So don't vote for the stink ones. Vote for the cool ones.